Imagine an SUV that feels smart, smooth, spacious, and reliable all at the same time. The 2026 Honda CR-V isn't trying to be flashy for attention, but once you look closely, it quietly proves why it's one of the most trusted SUVs in the world. At first glance, the 2026 CR-V looks more confident and mature than ever. The front grille is wider and sharper, paired with sleek LED headlights that give it a modern, premium feel. The hood sits slightly higher, adding a sense of strength, while the clean body lines run smoothly from front to back, making the car look longer and more balanced. From the side, the CR-V has a strong road presence with larger alloy wheels and subtle black cladding that adds a touch of ruggedness. At the rear, the vertical LED taillights remain a CR-V signature, but now they look more refined and upscale. Step inside, and this is where the CR-V really shines. The cabin feels open, airy, and thoughtfully designed. Honda has focused on comfort and practicality, using high-quality materials with soft-touch surfaces and a clean dashboard layout. The infotainment screen sits perfectly at eye level, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your phone instantly. Physical buttons for climate control are still here, which many drivers appreciate because they're simple and distraction-free. The seats are wide, supportive, and comfortable for both short city drives and long highway journeys. Space is one of the biggest strengths of the 2026 CR-V. There's plenty of legroom and headroom in both rows, making it ideal for families and tall passengers. The rear seats recline slightly for added comfort, and the cargo area is large enough to handle groceries, luggage, or even weekend adventure gear. Fold the rear seats down, and you get a flat, generous loading space that feels more like a small crossover than a compact SUV. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V continues to offer a smart balance between power and efficiency. The standard turbocharged engine delivers smooth acceleration that feels confident without being aggressive. It's not designed for racing, but it's quick enough for highway merges and city traffic. The hybrid version takes things even further by offering better fuel economy with near-silent electric driving at low speeds. It feels refined, and incredibly efficient, perfect for daily commuting and long drives alike. On the road, the CR-V is all about comfort and control. The suspension absorbs bumps easily, keeping the ride smooth, even on rough roads. Steering feels light and precise, making parking and tight turns effortless. Whether you're driving in the city, on highways, or in light off-road conditions, the CR-V stays stable and predictable. Available all-wheel drive adds extra confidence in rain, snow, or uneven terrain. Safety has always been a Honda priority, and the 2026 CR-V is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Honda Sensing comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features work quietly in the background, helping prevent accidents without feeling intrusive. It's the kind of safety that builds trust over time. One of the biggest selling points of the Honda CR-V is reliability. This is an SUV built to last 4 years with minimal trouble. Maintenance costs are reasonable. Resale value remains strong, and Honda's reputation for durability continues to be a major reason why buyers keep coming back to the CR-V generation after generation. The 2026 Honda CR-V doesn't try to be overly sporty or overly luxurious. It simply does everything well. It's comfortable, efficient, spacious, safe, and dependable. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or someone looking for a stress-free SUV that just works, the CR-V fits perfectly into almost any lifestyle. So if you're searching for an SUV that balances modern design, smart technology, smooth performance, and long-term peace of mind, the 2026 Honda CR-V proves once again why it remains one of the most trusted names in the compact SUV world.